My humble obeisance to Lord Shri Krishna. Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to Vedic Treasure. Vedic Treasure is a humble attempt to share to you the secrets of our scriptures. We started this journey with the Bhagavad Gita chant series, which featured 7 or 10 shlokas weekly once. Now we have reached the 6th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, and this will mark the end of the first section of the book. We would like to thank all of you who have supported us in this journey. I feel beyond grateful that Bhagavad Gita happened to me. This pandemic has given me a world of time to dwell on it. I have spent months listening to speakers and commentators on the core teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. This made me realize that the mere translation of the shlokas weren't doing enough justice to the understanding and clarity of the teaching. Hence, we have decided to start a new series that will compile the ideas and the concepts of the core teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. This series will be called Unlock the Gita series. This will commence from December 15, 2020. And we plan to post the videos of this series on the working days, and the chant series will continue in the weekends as usual. Rather than jumping into the chapters immediately, we will have an introduction week which will cement the basics of the Vedic philosophies. The Vedic scriptures are so vast and deep that they are divided traditionally into 3 books, which are called the Prasthanatraya, or the 3 commencements of the Vedic thoughts. They are the Upanishads, the Brahma Sutras, and the Bhagavad Gita. Looking at the difficulty level, the Bhagavad Gita seems to be way more accessible and easy to understand among the 3. Hence, we have decided to unlock the Gita first, hoping that you all will be supporting on this journey too. So stay tuned to unveil the perennial wisdom offered by the Holy Bhagavad Gita. Thank you.